Eikhoigi Punsida Mai Pakpa Amadi Meekok Thongba Da Khwaidagi Darkar Oiiriba Asi Singnaba Haibasini HAINA HEIROK ACG MLA retired IPS Dr. THOKCHOM RADHESHYAM na FONGDOK-KHRE Wafam Asi NCC Group Headquarter Imphal First Manipur Air Squadron na Silaga Thobal District Khongjom War Memorial Complex ta pangthokpa Marifadra Humdoirak Suba Indian Air Force Day 2025 ki thoramgi chief guest ki waral piraduna MLA RADHESHYAM na phongdokibani thoramaduda NCC Imphal headquarter ki commanding officer Brigadier Bikran Kulkarni amadi NCC Imphal ki deputy commanding officer squadron Sri Anil Kumar Yauna Maruiba officer kaya susaruyaki thoramaduga mari lenina MLA RADHESHYAM na makhatana phongdokibada punsigi career ama sembada challenge haibasi hek yaudabada mai pakpa wagani aigi imungdagi hauraga hiram khudingda afaba lambida singnaba haibasi yamna tangai fade ngasi nation asige damak amadi leivaki damak air force na lauriba Laukiba Thodang Kaya Eikhoina Kawa Yaroi Haiki Hana IPS officer Oiramba MLA TS RADHESHYAM na mamangda thokiba Ukraine gi war da India macha kaya rescue tawbada Air Force na laukiba Thodang Kaya busu singthaki ngasi NCC cadet singna Air Force kaya oiraktuna isagi furup nungsiba wakalon purakpada Chauna Thodang lauduna lakle Manipur da su Air Force officer kaya na ngasi furup kidamak sauraba Thodang lauri hauzik Eikhoigi state asida NCC na lauriba Thodang kaya basu MLA na thagatba phongdoki ngasigi thoramadu MLA Dr. THOKCHOM RADHESHYAM na Air Force ki firal chingkatuna haudoki matung tarakpada masagi duty mafamda leivaki damak thawai katkraba Air Force ki mafamda ikai khumnaba utki Manipur gi mafam kaya dagi lakpa school singi NCC cadet singna jagoi isai kaya su utpana Mapung oiba thoram oiki thoram gi loshilakpada MLA ga NCC cadet singa interaction program masu pangthoki
Everywhere in life, in career, the word, very popular word, and we may not like to hear, is very common, the word challenge. In life, without challenge, you cannot have a life. You cannot lead a life without challenges. In career, without challenges, you don't have a career. You won't find a career without challenges. Even within your family, within yourself, within your conscience, there are a lot of challenges. So NCC teaches young boys and girls, their minds, they're trained to accept the challenge and to overcome, to face and to overcome. You have seen I will not be talking about, I cannot, because the beautiful video has already given us what important role the Air Force have been playing.